yellow to a dark orange to a reddish, and then it'll fall off. And that's all these flowers in the river right here. Those all fell off from yesterday. So that's just how much sunlight and water we get here on Kauai. So we are much older than the rest of the Hawaiian Islands. And because of that, we're the second fastest eroding island in the world. I like up in here. See all these bushes like growing over us now? That's that how bush where I picked those yellow hibiscus. You can see how crazy it grows. In here, a lot of mango trees and albinos. Remember, everything in here is kind of invasive. Back in the day when you came up in here during Hawaiian times, it would be all open areas, there'd be no trees, and it'd be all rock foundations in Hawaiian homes. This is where the highest royalty lived, the priests, things like that. They get much bigger. The first ingredient in all of Paul Mitchell's conditioners is avapui. This is not a very good one. I'll find more of them too. But that's just a little one just starting out, right? So feel that in your hand. Slimy, just like conditioner. Smell it. Smells beautiful. Smells just like a ginger. You can squeeze it, feel it, smell it. Remember, they take up all the sunlight. That's all the shade we've been walking underneath.
Perfect.